Welcome to Yummy Gummy Mole's first virtual scavenger hunt. This is for all my bakers, pastry enthusiasts, and treat makers. Are you ready to have some fun, learn new recipes, and win some prizes? This scavenger hunt is for you. Follow the clues to the delicious treats. Great! Now let's go over the rules. The scavenger hunt will take place entirely online, and you'll be searching for words in our instructional videos featuring our Yummy Gummy Moles products. This video will be the first of 10 videos that will be posted over the course of the next 2 weeks. The first 3 people to find all the words and send us a message to either our email hello@yummygummymoles.com or a DM on our Instagram @yummygummymoles will win. Winners will be announced at the end of the scavenger hunt. Here are the things you need to do to participate. You must turn in all the words to win and be subscribed to our YouTube channel. The competition is 1 prize per household, so keep that in mind. Also, no mentioning words in the comments or you will no longer be able to participate. This includes YouTube or any of our other social media sites. If this rule isn't followed, comments will be turned off until the scavenger hunt ends. Now to the part you have all been waiting for, the prizes. For first place, the person will receive a $50 Amazon gift card and a $50 Yummy Gummy Moles gift card. For second place, the person will receive a $25 Amazon gift card and a $40 Yummy Gummy Moles gift card. And for third place, the person will receive a $15 Amazon gift card and a $20 Yummy Gummy Mole gift card. We are so excited for everyone to participate in this competition. So, let's have some fun, learn new recipes, and win some prizes. On your marks, get set, go!